Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. Today I am going to be unboxing the P-Touch Embellish by Brother. I think that anyone who have a business, regardless to what kind of business you have, should buy something like this if you are branding your company. And I own a personalization company, and so this would fall in the category of personalizing your company with items that you are covering or representing or presenting to customers. And so, as you can see, that it was packaged well, and it's a cute little thing, I gotta tell you. So it would fit pretty much anywhere, especially nicely on your desk. And you got you know, your manual. And let's see, hold on, there's something else in here. So you got your manual, and now I bought an extra ribbon because I wasn't sure, you know, how much ribbon came with this. I did look at the packaging, and it did say that the ribbon was included. And so it says what's inside. You got your P-Touch Embellish ribbon and tape printer, and you have P-Touch Gold on white satin ribbon. You have your user guide, and you have your P-Touch. Okay, so I did buy this, but let's see what is this. And so the ribbon that you can personalize your company's information on is like your company's website or your company's name. And again, you can use this for anything. So if you look at the picture here, I don't know if you can see that. This is just like a little box with personalization. You can put little messages, quotes. You can put a person's name up there. If a baby shower, you can put the date. There's so many things that you can do with this. Okay, so this is the ribbon here. Regardless to if you own a soap making company, a cookie company that you bake cookies, you can put it in little bags and, you know, tie it up with your ribbon. If you are having a personalization company, embroidery, anything really, candles, anything. And so, let's see. I don't see a cord though. It says that it should have a cord, and I don't see a cord. And so, I'm not sure. So it says 6 alkaline batteries, okay? So I guess it does not come with an adapter, which is surprising, really. But I do have a battery, so I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to grab some batteries. Okay, so I got some batteries, and I'm just going to open it here. Easy open. All right, so easy open, and it takes 6 AAA batteries, and so put these in very easily, and this is easy. Only that it just should have said that it doesn't come with a cord. And I would say that it does have a little note on the box that says remember to pick up batteries, but it should have been a little bit bigger because I just happen to have batteries in my studio, but a lot of people don't, and so you would be stuck not being able to see how this works. Okay, so I am going to remove this because it says to remove this before you use it. And I'm just going to drop and load. Usually that's one of the things that I really do like about Brother products. They are really usually easy to install, and it's just like a little cassette, a tape cassette. It just snaps right in, and I'm just going to close. All right, and so I think this has a little paper or something, a little film on it. I'm just going to see if I can, okay, I guess I'll get that up another time. Okay, so I'm just going to press power. Power on. This little paper needs to come up because it has some kind of writing on it and it's confusing me. So yeah. All right, take that little paper off. All right, turn your power on. So your power button is going to be right there. And I'm just going to put in my name just to see how. And it looks just like a little keyboard actually. Not that you can type on here, but it's cute. So I'm just going to put Kandia, Haynesworth. Let's see. Because I wouldn't put a lot here. I would just put KandiaHaynesworth.com. That's it. And I just want to see how it's going to print out. And, okay, I entered, and I guess I click ribbon. I press it again. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. So I'm going back to font. Nope, nope, nope. I don't know why I pressed ribbon, but I did. Because it has font, frame, symbol, pattern, and ribbon. So I guess I shouldn't have done that. So anyhow, let's go back to where I was. Okay, so I'm just going to press print. And I press print again, I guess. And there we go. You see it? So that was easy. I made it harder than it needed to be. So let's see how it looks. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? And this is like a nice satiny ribbon. And it printed it in gold. How cute is that? And so once again, ladies and gentlemen, this could be used if you are selling cupcakes, if you're selling soaps, if you're selling anything that requires a little ribbon. This is absolutely adorable. I'm so glad that I bought this. Now, this was $59.99. I purchased this from Michael's, and you cannot use a coupon on this. And so it's just what it is. It's $59.99. And I did purchase an extra cartridge, a ribbon satin cartridge, and it's going to print in black. And the cartridges are $9.99. And so I don't know how much you get on it. It says that you get 4.37 yards, which is not bad. 13 feet of ribbon. So that's not bad at all. No, I'm reading this wrong. So 4.37 yards of ribbon. So I'm not sure why they have two measurements here. But I think that this is an overall investment that would be good for candle making, crafters, sewers, embroidery people, just anything, hobbyists, anything that you are selling or presenting that require any kind of little ribbon. This would do the trick. And so I think that this would be worth an investment, you know, of branding your company. Once again, I'm very happy because like I'm going to use this to tie on certain things. I'll actually show a picture of it, but this is very cute. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have one of these, tell me how you use it. I really like this, and I really recommend this. You should get it.